theme was Winter Wonderland. Instead of doing a Winter Wonderland during the day,
hello guys, let's just play a show here.
So
they were just fighting, they were just tug of war, just playing tug of war with that.
Oh, the rope
right there.
I made it bigger.
And now there you go. Miley wants to. Miley, get the bow! Get the rope!
Yeah, just shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
What if I get the rope?
It looks very cute.
It looks like a painting. You have all this sort of dynamic in your piping that creates this crazy depth.
There they go. There they go. Oh, Miley got it.
Is there like molasses?
There goes Max. He's gonna like jump all over.
Is it
maple?
Maple? Maple? It starts to taste a bit.
Max is getting old, so he's very gentle with Miley, and Miley's only 1.5. So Max is 8 years old.
Oh my gosh, I am
8.5. He's about to be 9. Miley's 1.5, about to be 2.
Cookie makers, you all
there they go.
On a plate with your
Tug of
decorated
war.
cookies. The judges have the time.
Miley's like dragging him around.
Sherry said it best. Your cookies really tasted like Christmas. Personally, I was a little bit put off by the maple because I was only getting the finish of it and not the whole thing.
Max is growling.
You really brought an artist's vision to the cookies on your plate.
The growling's
Much
Max.
appreciated.
Jen,
Oh.
your Santa and your reindeer was so elegantly piped. The 3D package, not so eye-popping. Megan, the technique of the sugar cookie was done really well, but there was a little bit too much almond extract, and it left us with a bitter taste in our mouth. But those ugly sweaters really brought the holiday spirit and absolutely put a smile on my face and
Oh.
Tarsha.
Oh, Miley, you scared?
Christmas cookie champion and the winner of
Max.
$10,000 is...
Come on, Miley, get it. There they go.
Tarsha.
Miley, why are you laying down? It's not a lay down zone. I'm gonna play with them.
Papa John's scouting report on this season's best new prospect? Cheesy and golden brown. Papa John's new pan pizza. Try 3 topping for $10 and a
Okay, Miley, go.
Pepsi for $2.
Here they go. Here they go again.
Sponsor of the NFL.
It's time for some straight...
Who's gonna reach the end? Oh.
Companies offer no contract.
And now, ABC's Shark Tank.
Tonight on Shark Tank, bring on the holiday cheer.
I'm about to let you in on one of the North Pole's best kept secrets.
Don't even need eyes.
There you go. Do a spin.
But not too much cheer.
What are your sales?
15,000. Your building is on fire. Whoa. Last year we sold 350,000. What does it cost you? 15 grand. Give or take.
Oh! Look at his face. Oh! Time for some fighting.
It's downright greedy.
That's the only deal. If you don't want it, I'm okay. Total sales, 1.3 million.
That's really interesting.
Oh!
Dude, what's the difference between your product and the others? That is proprietary. We shouldn't have to pull a
Isn't this called Shark Tank?
I'm gonna make you more.
The offer's so good, you're crying?
That's called Shark Tank right there.
Definitely make it the best Christmas ever.
They're both growling. You just can't hear Miley because Max is very loud.
Hi, my name is Sarah Blaine, and I'm from Delray Beach, Florida. I'm asking for $150,000 for 20.
Sorry guys to end this short, but
I have one of the coolest jobs.
I'm running out of storage, so I'm gonna have to go.
Santa Claus.
So yeah, I hope you liked that video of them fighting.
He receives each year.
And Merry Christmas and have a happy holiday. I'll be making a Christmas video, Christmas special,
My elf friend.
of like us, like from the